Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Junia Natasha. You can call me Junia or Uni. So in this video, I will read TA sounds. First one, we have the apple. Don't say that. Say the apple. Two, we have the end. Don't say that. Say the end. Okay, we have this, that, and this plus vowel. This is. Don't say that. Say this is. That old. Don't say that. Say that old. These are. Say these are. With them. Say with them. But this. Say bodies. That thing. Say that thing. With that, say with that. And that, say and that. About them, say about them. Or about them. Yeah. And Sixth Street, say Sixth Street. Months later, say months later. Or months later. Say that. Close are, say closer. That guy, say that guy. Those people, say those people. This one, say this one. Them, say them. Give them, say give them or give them. Tell them, say tell them or tell them. Give them the book, say give them the book. Both of them are there, say both of them are there. This is the one, or that is the one. Say fast. Okay, this is it. Give them that. Both of us with the others. Thank you for watching my video. So see you.